Introducing the ANDELI semi-automatic MIG welding machine, a powerful, all-in-one multi-process welding solution designed for performance, efficiency, and flexibility. Whether you're a hobbyist, metal artist, repair technician, or a professional fabricator, this machine is built to handle a wide range of tasks with incredible ease and precision. This isn't just a MIG welder, it's a true multi-process powerhouse, offering MIG, lift TIG, and arc, stick welding capabilities, all integrated into one compact and reliable unit. It gives you the freedom to switch between different welding processes without needing multiple machines or setups. Thanks to IGBT inverter technology, the ANDELI welder delivers stable, energy-efficient performance with excellent arc characteristics, low spatter, and clean welds. It supports both gas and gasless MIG welding, making it suitable for indoor and outdoor work, regardless of your shielding gas availability. One of the standout features is its synergy mode, which allows for automatic adjustment of voltage and wire feed speed based on the selected material and wire diameter. This intelligent functionality makes setup faster and welding more consistent, ideal for beginners and pros alike. In lift TIG mode, you get precise arc starting and smooth control for working with stainless steel, carbon steel, and other metals that demand clean, aesthetic welds. The arc, stick welding mode offers deep penetration and strong welds, even on rusted or painted surfaces, perfect for maintenance or structural work. This machine also boasts a user-friendly digital interface with clear parameter displays, making it incredibly easy to adjust settings and fine-tune performance. Whether you're welding mild steel, stainless steel, or thin sheets, you'll get a smooth, stable arc every time. With a compact, rugged design and built-in cooling system, the ANDELI MIG welder is ideal for portable jobs or workshop environments. Whether you're doing light fabrication, farm repairs, auto bodywork, or small-scale production, this is a tool you can rely on.